go long, short, move my stop. That's right, right now I'm trading in VR, a virtual private server. The computer is fake, but the trades are real. The question is trading like this really even worth it?
Millions of traders across the world lose money trading on computers with slow CPUs, terrible internet connections, and with RAM designed for a freaking toaster. The result, they lose money every single day. You miss your entry because your internet is just too slow, and your copy trader fails because your computer is slower than a freaking turd. And worse, I mean, this is so much worse. You lose money because when you finally hit exit, it freezes up on you, okay? Virtual private servers solve all of that and more, and QuantVPS is the best virtual private server solution for real traders. So if you're new here, my name is Forrest Naya. I've been trading for about 11 years now. I trade live and show my results every single day. I've made almost 7 figures in the market trading, and let me tell you this, guys, okay? The tools we rely on every single day really freaking matter.
Right now I have 30 accounts up across 3 different firms, and none of this is running on this computer. It's actually running in the cloud right next to CME on some of the fastest compute available. As retail traders, we can't be right next to the exchange, but we don't have to. QuantVPS does the hard work of building a computer for you and putting it in the exact right place. This is going to make a lot more sense if I break it down for you. So let's pull up a diagram. So here is how trading works. 1, you're running your trading software. 2, the software connects to the internet and your broker. 3, when you enter a trade, the software sends a signal as fast as it can. The speed of that depends on how fast your computer is and is easily bogged down by other applications running on your PC or Mac. Eventually, this hits the exchange and your order is executed. QuantVPS changes this drastically. You run a remote desktop application. This connects to a hyper-fast computer called a virtual private machine that QuantVPS is running right next to the exchange. Then, this computer isn't bogged down by any other running applications. Its sole purpose is to execute trades. And when you execute a trade, the trade execution is now started right next to the exchange instead of at your desk. If you lose power, have a slow connection, or anything at all, QuantVPS maintains a connection 24/7. It's as easy as simply reconnecting with another device, and everything is still right there. Now, let's give QuantVPS an honest rating on a few different categories. Now, that's going to be the tech, cost, and ease of use. Now, first, we need to do a once over of the website. Now, if you know me, you know I have a background in software engineering, I know. So I love giving websites the sniff test, okay? So let's go ahead and log in real quick.
Their website uses 2-factor authentication, so once you log in, you know it's secure. We'll go ahead and do this. It's very secure. Once you log in, it's simple to, reset your server or provision another one. Okay, we can just click on that and we can see what that looks like right here. I'm going to click through all these tabs and kind of show you what's going on one by one. Okay, so first on the overview page is the one server that I have. Okay, build every 4 weeks. Go back into there. And we can see here that, it has the IP address of the server, all of the relevant information, the credentials, okay, a quick start guide for how to connect on the Mac. Okay, this uses an application called, there's a Windows application from the Mac store that I can connect on. If you're on a Windows machine, it's very, very simple as well. I can turn it off. I can reinstall the operating system. Okay, I have backups enabled and billing is at the bottom. On the backups tab, okay, I could see that automatic backups are enabled, and then there should be a list of backups here if there are any backups enabled, right? So there's just the next backup in about a day, okay? Now let's go to the monitoring tab. So on the monitoring tab, I can see my CPU utilization, the bandwidth utilization, uptime. Okay, I reset this manually, and I can see the CPU usage and network usage going back from an hour all the way to 1 month, right? So let's go to the 1 month, kind of see what that looks like. Pretty standard stuff, nothing crazy here, right? Just this is useful if you're running something, a crazy workload, or want to understand when you're spiking or increasing max load. You have that there for you. Deploying a new server. So if I want to deploy a new server, this is the tab to do that. I can do a standard VPS, or I could do a VPS Plus, which are some of the performance ones, right? And I can see the pricing for all those here. Super simple to provision one. Okay, if I wanted to do a dedicated, okay, I could go ahead and do that right there. Go to the billing tab. Okay, I can see all of the billing breakdown there. Very, very simple. View my payments. Can reach out to sales here, change my payment methods, standard stuff. Support, I can open a support ticket. Okay, find my login credentials, connect from Windows, connect. Very, very simple stuff. And then on the last screen is the referrals tab. You guys don't need to see that, but that's the referral. Actually, I'll go to the referrals tab. So your total earnings would be over here on the right side. Okay, and you can see here all of the other information as well as your code. You can use code FOREST to go ahead and get yourself a VPS right here using this link. We'll put it on the screen right now. Boom. Cool. So really, really simple stuff. Now, really the only thing I wish I could do from here that they don't support is changing the password from the control panel. So in order to change the password, I'd have to actually log in to the server, which is annoying. Okay, it would just be nice to do it all in one place. Now let's discuss the cost. Okay, there are cheaper solutions in the market. We'll go back to the deployment tab, deploy a new server. There certainly are cheaper options, and I've used them. What I like about QuantVPS is that it is a premium solution. Okay, it is my personal belief that when it comes to trading, you pay for what you get in life, really. So you want to pay for something good. Okay, I've used a ton of VPS solutions in the past that were laggy, unresponsive, and just flat out bad. Okay, so QuantVPS offers options from affordable all the way, to up there for the serious, trader when it comes to levels of investment. So overall, I think there's something for everybody. And if you want to take your trading to the next level, okay, their dedicated plus is a reasonable option. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dedicated plus. You can see here that it has 12x CPUs, 128 gigabytes of RAM, ton of RAM. You can run whatever you want on this thing. And it has NVMe attached storage. Okay, super, super fast stuff, right? So now let's wrap up talking about ease of use. So ultimately, you've seen me click around the platform quite a bit. Now, okay, it's straightforward and to the point without a bunch of marketing bloat, which I like and really appreciate. Overall, our websites are bad. So overall, I give QuantVPS a 9.5 out of 10. Okay, it literally has everything you could possibly need from a VPS solution. And the only reason they don't have a perfect score is because I need to actually log into the server to make a password change. Okay, so QuantVPS team, implement that and it'll be a 10 out of 10 from me, right?
So if you want to have the best experience with the virtual private server, head on over to QuantVPS.com and use code FOREST at checkout for a little bit of a gift to your wallet. And of course, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for more content like this. Who knows, maybe I'll actually really trade in VR in my next video. And for all of you out there who are newbies to trading, trade smart, do your research, and check me out live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday right here on YouTube, and of course on Instagram. See you in my next video. Peace.